Hello programmers, Spidy is back with one another video. In previous video, what we have seen is about AWS Bedrock Agent Core configuration. But now in this video, we are going to talk about Openclaw. The name is recently changed. Before that, it was ClawdBot or Moltbot, but just because of Claude or other similar naming convention, now they have changed it to Openclaw. Now, if you don't know what is Openclaw, is your personal assistant that you can do install on your server or either in your local system, maybe laptop, or even you can do this configuration remotely and you can access all of the resources. I mean, it's just a kind of virtual assistant, just like in Iron Man how Jarvis work. Okay. So without wasting time, let's see what we can do with Openclaw. So what I'm going to do over here, let's see step by step. First of all, we will install the ClawdBot, or maybe just rename this as a Openclaw. Once we install this, then we need to choose the LLM model provider. Either it can be OpenAI models or Anthropic, Grok, or it can be from Gemini. You can pick any of the models, whatever access you have. And then you have to set up the channel. It means WhatsApp, Telegram, iMessages. There are multiple channel options available. But for this tutorial, I would be going with the Telegram because Telegram will be much more safer rather than giving access of your personal WhatsApp. If you have business WhatsApp or alternative number, you can go with the WhatsApp as well. But without wasting time, now let's see what we can do with Openclaw. So let's see how we can able to install the Openclaw. So if you go to website openclaw.ai, you just have to copy this command and you can open your terminal. So now let's see. I'm just pasting this command. Okay, and now you can see it will take some time for testing. Let's wait till the installation finish. So whenever installation will be progress, you will see this kind of prompt. So you have to read it very carefully. Like you can see, I understand this is a powerful inherent and risky. Continue. Yeah, there are some risks because all of your files can be accessed by all these models. Onboarding mode. Let's start with a quick start only. Now you have to choose your model auth provider. So there are multiple models families are available, either OpenAI, Anthropic, MinMax, Quen. I would be just like to go with OpenAI. Now there are two ways of authentication. Either you can do OpenAI Codex, which is kind of ChatGPT, Google Auth, or either if you have running OpenAI API, you can give it. I would like to recommend to go with OpenAI Codex. So basically it will ask you for your prompt. Sign in, you can just sign in with your OpenAI Google account, and that's all. It will ask you just for a prompt, and now it shows that yeah, you are back. Let's see which model we have to pick. Let's see, there are multiple models available. So let's pick this keep current model, OpenAI Codex GPT 5.2. Otherwise, you can choose 5.1 or other cheaper model also you can choose. Okay, let me just choose this keep current OpenAI Codex GPT 5.2. Now there are multiple channels that I talk about. So you can create a Discord server, WhatsApp bot, Telegram, Google Chat, Slack, Signal, iMessages, Teams bot also. I mean we can create. So I would always recommend to don't to go with WhatsApp bot since it is a new thing in the market. So I would not recommend to open all of your personal WhatsApp chats on conversation to a third party. It's better you can use Telegram or Discord server or Slack or Teams. Okay, I'm currently for this video, I'm just going with Telegram. Now we have to get the Telegram bot token. So I'm just going in to generate a Telegram bot token. Let's see what we can do. I have to just connect to my iPhone. Okay, yeah. So I have to search for the Telegram. So now you need to search for the bot further in your search of Telegram. You can see over here. Now over here we have to mention a new bot. Now it will ask you few questions. Okay, so like it is asking me how are we going to call it. Please choose a name for your bot. I'm mentioning ML Hub bot. Okay, now it's asking me to choose a username. So again, I'm just mentioning the ID of my bot, which is ML Hub _ bot. Let's see. Yeah. So now you can see, congratulations, your bot is accessible for you. Now you have to just copy this authentication token. Okay, let me just get this off. Not like this. Let me just send this because it's very difficult to copy this token. Okay, let me just send it from local send. So I sent my Telegram bot token core from local send iOS application to Mac. So now I have this token with me. Let's go back to terminal and let's store this token somewhere else as well for safety. And let me go back to terminal and it's asking me for the same token. Let's just copy paste this. Configure skills now. Yes. Preferred node manager for skill installation. Let's go with npm only. You have to choose at least one. Let me see if I can able to, because these all are the skills that will help you to just do more better things with you. Skip for now. I'm just doing this. Now it is asking for Google Places API key. So this Google Places API will help you for your Google personal messages, emails, map, and other things. But I would not recommend as of now. So I'm not mentioning any of my API keys as of now. It is asking for hooks as well. Hooks let you automatic action agent command are issued. Let's go with session memory. Otherwise, we can just wait for like it to happen. Session memory is like kind of it will attach a kind of memories for your conversation. So agent will have more better context and memory to work on the things. So what it will do, it will install your user interface in your system. So if you see, you will get this background activities notification. Now it is asking like this user interface managing of your bot. It will have basic user interface. How would you like to open it? Hatch in TUI, which is recommended. And now you will see this kind of user interface where you can able to manage your channels, conversations, instance, sessions. You can manage much more things over here. You can install all these skills that what we have seen before, nodes, config, all of these things you can config over here. So let's see chat is working or not. Let me see. Okay, so it is asking what should I call you. First of all, you have to mention about your basic information like hey, my name is your name is, let me give something called macOS, which is my assistant name, which is my virtual assistant. You will help me for my basic routine tasks. First, initially, it will take some time for generating the responses, but then it is very super fast. That's what I have observed. And make sure you will get some cost for this. So if you have use your OpenAI or either Gemini or whatever subscription you have, make sure it will utilize some amount of tokens for your, so you will get some bill. So just don't make sure that you are not overutilizing or overcooking the things. Otherwise, you will end up in very higher cost. Just make sure my name is proper because I forget to write L. Let's see how it responds. Okay, now let's see Telegram. It's working or not because Telegram bot we have configured. Now the same thing we have to see it for Telegram. Let me go back to now again. Okay, still it shows Openclaw access not configured. There is some error. Let me see what is this. Let's go back to terminal first. So if you see, we have used 3% of the token. Okay, I'm opening new terminal to just configure our Telegram bot. Just write Openclaw configure. Okay, now let me just make it more. Now we have to select local disk machine. We have to select channels over here. Configure. What we have is now Telegram. Okay, sorry, I have to go back. Channels, configure, Telegram, modify setting. Yes, you have to select finished. Now it will ask you for configure DM access policies now. Yes, pairing is like you have to make one more level authentication, but as of now, I'm just making it public, like open public inbound DM. So your bot can access and your bot can able to get the messages from any of the user. I'm just making it open for now. Let's see. Now it is done. Continue. Let me check one more time. And now you can see, if you observe over here, ML Hub bot is now typing. And now you can see you got the message. This is I'm actually doing from my iPhone. You can see, hey Kushal macOS over here. What do you want to tackle first? Okay, now let me ask some of the questions regarding my file. So let me see how many files I have in my downloads folder. So basically it will have access of your all of entire system files and folder. Maybe just example, if you are traveling somewhere and you need very important file from your system, right? You can ask this bot, your Telegram bot, to get that file. So example, I'm just going to perform that. You can see there are 32 download items, which is there in my download folder. So let me see, let me ask, I have a file called name. Okay, let's see how many files we have. Let's pick one file. I have file name app.py. Can you send me that file over here? Let's see. Yeah, you can see app.py. I just get this file and I can get this file whenever I'm traveling. Maybe I'm 1,000 kilometers away. Still, I can able to access my files from my system. Let me just ask, can you delete this app from my download folder? Okay, so it is very smartly asking me like I would like to move it to trace or delete permanently. I'm just going with one as of now. And let's see how it performs. And now you can see app.py, if you have seen over here, it just got vanished into trash. So that's how like this Openclaw bot is working. This is actually amazing. This is kind of, you can treat this assistant as your virtual assistant, but we have to be also very make sure with the costing, your personal documents and privacy also. So guys, if you are using it for your testing, use it wisely and make sure you are controlled with the cost, environment and your files and your security, because our security is our own responsibility. So don't make everything open to any of the LLM models. Things are risky. But anyway, so I hope you like this video, and don't forget to share this with your connection and subscribe Machine Learning Hub YouTube channel. So guys, see you in the next one. Till the time, like and share this video.